Well, good afternoon, everyone. It's a sure sign that we have turned a corner and we've got winter weather in North America while the tropics are still busy. Tonight, line of storms stretching from Oklahoma, Kansas, all the way down into central Texas. You can see right about there. Behind it, we have a winter storm in the Rockies. Yes, it is going to be spreading some snow possibly into the Amarillo area tonight. But first, let's talk about this because this could be affecting us by midnight or after midnight tonight. We'll zoom in and you can see how the winds have been very strong today, zooming to 35 miles an hour into this area along the frontal system. This is a tornado watch that is in effect just north of the front. It includes pieces of northeast Texas. The frontal system is now pushing down into the hill country and will be in Austin within the next few hours. And then the line of storms will move down into our area. Now, let me give you a good look at this because it's an important day tomorrow. It's voting day. I do believe we'll have some showers in the morning hours. Now, we start off with tonight, and there you see the storms in Austin. We move into 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. You can see how the showers arrive in Victoria right about there. And then by 6 in the morning, you can see how the line sort of passes our area, but it's still wet in the crossroads. And then we go to about 7 o'clock in the morning. You can see that activity slowly, finally moves offshore. So the beginning of Tuesday will have some stormy weather in the morning, but clearing skies in the afternoon, or at least no rain. And then the following day, Wednesday, will be fine. And then Thursday, believe it or not, we get ready for another strong cold front moving down into our area. That being said, you're not going to believe me when I tell you this. You're just not going to believe me because by the time we get to Thursday, we will have a hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico and a snowstorm in the Rockies, and we're going to be between those two. Now, let's talk about that potential hurricane. Well, let's go forward. Okay, this is a tropical storm Rafael. We've been tracking this thing for 2 weeks, and it finally got its act together over the weekend, and watch the path of it. It is in south of Jamaica right about now. It is forecast to move up to Cuba as a Category 2 hurricane. Very rapid development. Then as it gets into the Gulf of Mexico, frankly, there's a big concern. I believe it'll be somewhere between New Orleans and Panama City. Some computer models take it east, but it is weakening, okay? So it's going to be a peak storm here, then it weakens here. Why does it weaken? Because it runs into a cold front. And I believe that cold front is what's going to push it to the east of us and not a major problem. There you see all the computer models and which way they go. All I know is that on Thursday, it's going to run into this front, and that's when I think it takes a sharp turn and goes up into the southeastern United States, as if they needed another hurricane. So for us, shower activity sort of widespread, isolated right about now. Line of storms tomorrow morning, and they'll be here early in the afternoon. We should go to partly cloudy. So remember, your voting day, a little stormy in the early. Take your rain gear. Afternoon should be okay. Better weather for Wednesday, a little showers on Thursday. Another front on Saturday will actually cool us down by the time we get to next weekend. That's your 7-day forecast, reminding everybody we do have a QR code. We'd love for you to scan that. Put Crossroads Today on your phone. And here's Don.